Hi, in this tutorial video we are going to look at a question that came under calculus. As you can see here, we have a question that came in 2021 internal ECZ paper 1 question 19. So find the integral of 6x squared minus 2x plus 7 with respect to x. So let's see how we're going to find the integral, how we're going to integrate this. Okay, so what we have here, so this is our question and we are integrating with respect to x. So you recall that if a function, you have been given a function, let's say f of x equal to a x to the power n, where a is the coefficient of x and x is the variable, n is the exponent of this x. So integrating this simply means we're going to have something like this, which is our standard formula. So integrating this with respect, of course, to x, this will simply give us, so you notice that what we are going to have is this, okay, x n plus 1, okay, then we are going, this exponent or the power will increase by 1, but then you do the same even to the denominator. So what you're going to have here will be the same as what you're going to have in the denominator. So n plus 1, n plus 1, then plus c. Why this c? This c is the constant. For this is an indefinite integral because it doesn't have the limits, so it is an indefinite integral. So this is what we are going to have, and this is what we are going to use here. So we'll use the same method to be able to integrate what we have been given. Let's see what we are going to have. Okay, so we will start with this first term. So this, of course, it will be x, 6x to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, you remember what we looked at? So what you have here will be the same as what you are going to write in the denominator. So after we have done that, we go to this term here. So this x is the same as 2x to the power 1. Okay, normally we don't usually write the exponent if it's a 1, but we know that there is a power 1 there, so it will be 2x 1 plus 1. This one is because any number can be written as to the power 1. It will just be the same thing. So we are going to have the denominator 1 plus 1. Okay, then we go to the last one now, which is 7. Notice that 7 doesn't have the variable x. Let's see what we are going to have. So 7 can also be written such that it will have the variable x. How? We now go back to the laws of indices. So according to the laws of indices, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. And we're going to use the same concept to be able to write 7 so that it has the variable x. So 7x to the power 0, it is just the same as 7. Okay, because x to the power 0 is 1, so it will be 7 times 1, it will give us 7. So here I can write this. Okay, so now if we x to the power 0, so remember we have to increase the exponent by 1, so it is going to be 0 plus 1, even down there 0 plus 1. Now we can simplify this one further. We see what we're going to have. So we're going to have 6, 2 plus 1, this will give us 3, over 2 plus 1, this will give us 3, minus, we come to this one now, 1 plus 1, this will give us 2, 1 plus 1, it will give us 2, then plus, we come to this one, so it will be 7x, then 0 plus 1, it will just give us 1, which we normally do not indicate here. Okay, we know that there's a 1 there, so x to the power 1 is just the same as x to the power 1 is just the same as x. Okay, so I will leave out the 1 there. Okay, over 1. Okay, that's what we have. But we notice that we can simplify this one further. 3 can go into 6, 2 can go into 2, 1 can also go into that term there. So let's see what we're going to have when we simplify this one further. Okay, let me try to create some space for our working. Okay, so we have this expression 6x to the power 3 over 3 negative 2x to the power 2 over 2 7x over 1. So we now simplify. 3 can go into 6. How many times? Of course it's 2 times, so 2x to the power 3 minus 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 2 is 1, so here we will only remain with the x here, x squared, because this 2 and this 2 has gone, so it will be x to the power 2. Okay, then 1 of course can go there 7x times, so it will be 7x. Then at this stage, because we can't simplify this one further, we also write our c, and this becomes our answer. All right, thank you so much.